Do these scenes look familiar? We all have those forgotten corners in our homes overflowing with stuff. But what if I told you this stuff could be transformed into something amazing? Here's the thing, you don't need to spend a fortune to create a beautiful and unique home. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of upcycling. Upcycling is all about taking old, unwanted items and giving them a new lease on life. It's good for your wallet, good for the environment, and lets you create one-of-a-kind pieces that reflect your style. So grab your favorite thrift store finds or raid your own attic, because we're about to embark on a room-by-room upcycle challenge. Get ready for easy, budget-friendly transformations that will make your home look amazing. Let's start the upcycle journey in the heart of the home, the living room. And what better place to begin than the centerpiece, the coffee table? This old coffee table has seen better days, but with a little love, it can become a statement piece. Here, I'm giving it a fresh coat of paint in a beautiful seafoam green. Don't be afraid to experiment with colors. Want a more personalized touch? You can try an ombre effect for a gradual color shift or achieve a vintage look with some strategic sanding for a distressed finish. If you're feeling extra creative, decoupage is a fantastic option. Use patterned paper, fabric, or even newspaper clippings to create a one-of-a-kind design. Simply adhere the materials with Mod Podge or any decoupage medium, and seal it with varnish for a protective finish. Now, let's move on to another living room essential, the lamp. This basic lampshade is begging for a makeover. With some fabric scraps and a hot glue gun, we can create a whole new look. Play with patterns and textures to match your existing decor. Don't forget the lamp base. A quick coat of spray paint can work wonders. Opt for a metallic finish for a touch of glam or choose a bright color for a pop of personality. Finally, let's add some pizzazz to those tired throw pillows. You can reupholster them with new fabric for a complete refresh. Or get crafty and add some fun embellishments like tassels, buttons, or even ribbons. Mismatched fabrics can also create a trendy patchwork design. With a little creativity and these simple upcycle projects, your living room can be transformed into a stylish and inviting space that reflects your personality. So stay tuned as we head to the kitchen for more upcycle inspiration. We all know kitchen storage can be a challenge, but fear not, upcycling can come to the rescue. Let's take a look at this bulky spice rack. With a little TLC, this old ladder can be transformed into a charming and functional spice rack. Here, I'm sanding it down for a smooth finish and giving it a pop of color with some sunshine yellow paint. Once the paint dries, simply add some sturdy hooks onto the rungs. Now, those mismatched spice jars can find a new organized home. Bonus tip: grab some chalkboard labels and a pen to personalize your spice jars. No more guessing games at what's hiding inside. Speaking of light, this plain pendant light could use a little pizzazz. A quick coat of spray paint in a trendy copper finish can instantly elevate the look. Feeling extra creative? Wrap some fairy lights or even string around the pendant light for a touch of whimsy. A quick coat of spray paint in a trendy copper finish can instantly elevate the look. Feeling extra creative? Wrap some fairy lights or even string around the pendant light for a touch of whimsy. Now let's tackle those forgotten canisters lurking in the back of the cabinet. With a fresh coat of paint in a bold blue and a new vintage-style knob, this tired canister becomes the perfect storage solution for your favorite utensils or tea bags. As you can see, a few simple upcycle projects can breathe new life into your kitchen, making it not only stylish but also more functional. We're just getting started. Next up, we'll head to the bathroom to see how upcycling can transform that space as well. Stay tuned. Bathrooms often get neglected when it comes to decorating, but upcycling can work wonders here too. Let's take a look at this basic mirror and towel rack. This plain mirror frame has potential. Here I'm giving it a fresh start with some sandpaper to remove any dust or grime. Then we'll add a pop of personality with a bold teal paint color. Don't like solid paint? Unleash your inner artist. Mosaic tiles, seashells collected from your last beach trip, or even stencils can create a unique and personalized frame. Now let's move on to this lackluster towel rack. With a little effort, this piece of driftwood can be transformed into a charming and rustic towel rack. First, give it a quick sanding to remove any rough edges, then secure it to the wall with sturdy brackets. Who says soap dispensers need to be boring? This vintage bottle can be upcycled into a stylish dispenser for your favorite hand soap. Simply add a pump top attachment and voila! As you can see, with a few upcycled elements, your bathroom can go from basic to beautiful. Upcycling is a fantastic way to save money, reduce waste, and create unique pieces that reflect your style. So next time you're tempted to toss something out, think about how you can upcycle it. We're almost done with our room-by-room upcycle challenge, but there's one more space to tackle, the bedroom. Stay tuned to see how we can transform that space with some clever upcycling projects. The bedroom, our sanctuary for relaxation and sleep. But sometimes even our havens need a little refresh. Let's see how upcycling can transform this space. First up, this empty wall behind the bed is begging for a statement piece. Who needs a traditional headboard? Repurposed shutters, old pallets, or even fabric stretched on a lightweight frame can create a unique and stylish headboard. Think about the overall style of your bedroom and choose an option that complements it. Now, let's tackle this basic nightstand. A fresh coat of paint can do wonders. Here, I'm using a calming light blue for the body and a pop of sunshine yellow for the drawer to create a playful contrast. Feeling crafty? Stencils can add a personalized touch to your nightstand. Choose a geometric pattern, floral design, or even your initials for a unique look. Don't have a storage ottoman? No problem. This old ottoman can be upcycled into a functional storage solution. Simply add hinges to the top and reupholster it with a fabric that matches your bedroom decor. With a little upcycling magic, your bedroom can become a truly personalized and inviting space. Upcycling is a fun and rewarding way to create a beautiful home without breaking the bank. Remember, the possibilities are endless. So unleash your creativity and get ready to upcycle your way to a fabulous home. Thanks for joining me on this room-by-room upcycle challenge. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY content. And share your upcycle creations in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Wow, we transformed every room in the house with a little upcycling magic. From the living room to the bedroom, these easy and affordable projects prove that you don't need a lot of money to create a beautiful and stylish home. But don't forget about the outside of your home. The curb appeal is just as important. In our next video, we'll be tackling curb appeal on a budget. We'll show you how to spruce up your porch, refresh your front door with a pop of paint, and add some inexpensive landscaping touches to make a lasting impression. So subscribe now and get ready to take the outside of your home from blah to beautiful. Thanks for watching.